Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 3 to the power of 2x. This is equal to 0. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. So we have 2 raised to the power of x plus 1 minus 3 raised to the power of 2x. This is equal to 0. Now we have that 2 to the power of x plus 1. This is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. So applying this exponent property, this means that we have 2 raised to the power of x times 2 raised to the power of 1 minus 3 raised to the power of 2x. This is equal to 0. Now, the next step from here, let's take minus 3 to the power of 2x on the right hand side. So this means we have 2 raised to the power of x times 2. This is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2x. The next step is to divide on both sides by 2 to the power of x, 2 to the power of x. So let's simplify here. We simplify 2 to the power of x, so that now we have 2. This is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2x divided by 2 raised to the power of x. Now, the next step is that we have 3 to the power of 2x divided by 2 to the power of x. This is in the form of a raised to the power of n divided by b raised to the power of n, which we can express as a divided by b, everything here raised to the power of n. Now, applying this property, this follows that we have 2. This is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2 divided by 2, everything here raised to the power of x. So this is to mean that we have 2. This is equal to 3 squared, which is equal to 9, divided by 2, then raised to the power of x. Now this is the same thing as 9 over 2 raised to the power of x. This is equal to 2. Now we have that 9 divided by 2, this is 4.5, raised to the power of x. This is equal to 2. Now to solve for the value of x here, let's introduce logarithm on both sides. We have log 4.5 raised to the power of x. This is equal to log 2. Now, we have that log 4.5 to the power of x. This is of the form log a raised to the power of b, which we can express as b log a. Now, let's apply this power log property, so that now log 4.5 to the power of x becomes x log 4.5. This is equal to log 2. So let's divide both sides by log 4.5. Here we have log 4.5. So let's simplify here, so that now we have x is equal to, this is log 2 divided by log 4.5. Now we have that log 2 divided by log 4.5. This is of the form log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Now this is to mean that we can express x. This is the same thing as log 2 to base 4.5. Now we have that x, this is approximately equal to 0.4608. So this is the value of x. So this is the value of x. The next step, let's verify that this value of x here satisfies the equation by following these steps. Now let's verify that this value of x here satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have that 2 raised to the power of x plus 1 subtract 3 raised to the power of 2x. This should give us a value of 0. So let's substitute the value of x here. So this is 2 raised to the power of 0 0.4608 plus 1 minus 3 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 0 0.4608. This is supposed to give us a value of 0. So we have that 2 raised to the power of 0 0.4601 plus 1. This becomes 2 raised to the power of 1.4608 minus 3 raised to the power of 2 times 0 0.4608. This becomes 3 to the power of 0.9216. This should give us a value of 0. Now, 2 to the power of 1.4608, this is the same thing as 2.75 to 2 decimal places, then minus 3 to the power of 0.9216 to 2 decimal places. This will be equal to, this is the same thing as 2.75, and this should give us a value of 0. So we have that 2.75 minus 2.75. This is the same thing as 0, which is equal to 0. So this is to mean that the left add side is equal to the right add side. And this to show that the value of x here, which is equal to 0.4608, this satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and kindly subscribe.